The dams are historic, they're very old, they weren't designed for the current standards, and the current standards mean you have to safely resist the sort of the biggest storm that could happen. If they were over top, they'd get washed away and then there'd be significant flooding problem in the downstream community. So what we're doing is making sure that they can hold back a certain amount of water, so that reduces flooding generally, but then makes them safe so that the water can pass through the system. One of the issues we had is the suitability of the clay in the natural ground. And very early on we decided in the project we weren't going to import material and use what's here. BAM Nuttall have been working well, they've got the early site investigations in, they use their specialist subcontractor Ritchie's to do some of that investigations, and they've been working collaboratively with us and our panel engineer at Atkins to ensure the material is suitable and can be placed correctly.
The scope of the project is to improve the capacity of the ponds on the chain. There's two chains of ponds, there's the Hampstead chain and the Highgate chain. And so they're a chain of ponds, so as one fills it overflows into the next and so forth and so on. And what we're constructing here at the moment is some overflow drainage, constructing a stilling basin and improving the dam. So the idea is when this is completed, this will all be landscaped as if we were never here.
When people come up to us and they say that you're destroying our heath, I tend to outline to them the good work that the designers have done, and you know, having seen the design, it is a very sensitive piece of design work. The amount of concrete in the job has been kept to an absolute minimum. Most of the dams are to be made out of clay and turfed over, so the environment essentially afterwards, although it may have changed in elevations in places, will look very similar. In 10 years' time, this is the environment that you're going to treasure, you're going to love. You're going to say to people, you know, keep your hands off of this environment. And this is the environment that we're creating now.